Okay, good morning, Ms. Fuji. I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizal Yudhistira. I'm here. I want to complete my UAS assignment to make an explainer video explaining about dialect and variety. Start with dialect. Dialect are language variation by a group of people in a particular geographical area or social group. Dialects can include aspects of phonology or sound, lexicon or vocabulary, and syntax, sentence structure. For example, vocabulary in UK flat or lorry, but in US apartment and truck. Next is types of dialect. The first one is regional dialect. Regional dialect is language variation based on geographical areas such as dialects of East Java, Central Java, or Sumatra. And next is social dialect. Is a language variation based on social factors such as age, gender, social status, or occupation. The example, the language of teenagers is different from the formal language of adults. And the last one is temporal historical dialect. Is a language variation based on a certain period of time, for example, ancient and modern Indonesian. Maybe the next, there is ethnic dialect. Is spoken by specific ethnic groups influenced by their native language or culture. The example, Chicano English spoken by some Mexican American communities. And the next, there is a Pidgin and Creole. Pidgin is simplified language that develops for communication between groups without a common language. For example, Tok Pisin in Papua New Guinea. And the next, there is Creole, a fully developed language originating from a Pidgin, spoken as a native language. Example, Haitian Creole. The next is factors that influence dialect. The first one is geographical location. Regional separation results in difference in language use. And the second, social interaction. Social status, education, and occupation affect language choice. And the last one is language contact. The interaction with other language creates variations such as the absorptions of foreign language. Other language variation in sociolinguistics apart from dialect language variation include, first one is idiolect. Is unique language features used by individuals, and then the second is register. The variety of language used according to the context of the situation, for example, formal language in meetings and casual language during conversations. And the last one is language variety. Difference in language based on medium, such as written and spoken varieties. Okay, the last one is importance of language dialect. The first one is understand linguistic and cultural diversity, and the second, increase tolerance towards language difference, and the last one is assist in the preservation of local language. Okay, but the last one for me, by studying dialect, we understand that language is a mirror of a dynamic, diverse, and evolving society. Okay, thank you. There is from me about dialects and variety. Thank you so much. Sorry if there is something mistake from me, Miss Puji. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.